If you want to cancel your Uber Eats subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the profile icon or the account section located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to your subscriptions. Scroll down to find the Manage Your Subscriptions option. Tap on it to view your current subscriptions, including any active Uber Eats plans. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you want to cancel and tap on it. This will bring up the details of your subscription, including the cancellation option. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for the Cancel Subscription button and tap on it. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Once you have completed these steps, your Uber Eats subscription will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.